Hello everyone. If you have got a Xumo remote and a TV, but you are unsure how to pair them, this video is going to give you a simple step-by-step guide. So most of the Xumo remotes use Bluetooth or the interfared to connect to the devices. So before pairing, just make sure that your TV and your Xumo streaming devices or the apps are powered on. So you need to open the back of your Xumo remote and then you need to insert the correct batteries into it. Just make sure that they are placed with the positive and the negative ends aligned properly. Afterwards, simply close the battery cover. Now you need to use your TV's power button or a separate remote to turn on the TV. If you are using Xumo streaming device, just make sure that it is plugged in and powered on. If you are using a TV app version of Xumo, just open the Xumo application on your TV. Now on most of the Xumo remote, you just have to simply press the pair or the OK button or the back button. So here in this particular remote setting, we have the home button and then we have the power on and off button. So you just have to simply press these buttons, or we also have the OK button. So press and hold the OK and the back buttons at the same time for the next 5 seconds. Once you do this, you should see a flashing light on the remote. If you see that, that means that the remote is ready to pair. If your TV has a pairing screen for remotes, you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to confirm the connection. Now, you can try some of the basic controls as well, like the home button, the back button, the volume power on and off buttons, and navigation arrows. If the buttons work as expected, it means that your remote is now connected successfully. If not, you can just simply repeat the pairing step to replace the batteries and try again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.